In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can reset your iRobot Roomba S9 Plus, and there are two things that you can try. So the first thing that you can try, I'll just read it for you and then we're gonna show it. So you want to press and hold the home and spot clean and clean button until the white light ring around the clean button swirls. So again, what you're gonna do is try this. You're gonna hold the home button, the clean button, and the last button, the spot clean button, at the same time. Press it and hold it until the white light ring around the clean button swirls. So this is something that like you can try. Another thing that you can try, and maybe this is going to be beneficial, if you need to perform or reboot your S-series Roomba, you can do it by starting with the robot off and press the clean button for 10 seconds. Afterwards, you will hear a tone and the light ring will pulse white. So again, this is another thing that you can do. So starting with the robot off and press the clean button for 10 seconds. So first you can try to do the home, clean, and the last button at the same time, hold together, and then just try when you're going to turn it off, hold the clean button, and maybe some of it is going to work. So let me down below in the comments if it worked for you. I just really like to make these quick guides because it's many times difficult to actually get to the information that you need, and when you're going to get it this quick, I think it's like it could be helpful. So yeah, and of course, like I know that some of you can't really get it to the app. So the factory reset, the traditional way, is that when you're gonna have it, that you're gonna factory reset through the app. It's possible, but this is the how you can do it without it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.